Hi, this is Monty from Performance, and I'm putting together a recipe for performance videos, and this is a recipe that we've made forever in our family. So for those of you who really are considering going more plant-based and trying something vegetarian, this is a very simple recipe with ingredients you can all get at the store, and it's full of protein and full of flavor, and everyone, even my dad, eats this. So let's start. So we're gonna make tofu manicotti. Simple manicotti shells, tofu, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese. Our spices are garlic, salt, and basil, and eggs. So let's start putting it together. First thing I'm gonna do is go to my stove. I got my water boiling already. I'm gonna put all my manicotti noodles in. We'll give them a stir just so they don't stick to the bottom. And those are going to boil for 8 minutes. Now we're going to make a mixture to stuff our shells with. So I've got my tofu and it'll work. I like firm tofu over the soft stuff. So this actually has water in it, so I have to drain it. So I'll get into it and just drain it here in the sink. Here's my block of tofu. This goes in my bowl. Take a fork and just go ahead and mash the tofu up. After you have the tofu mashed, you're simply going to add 2 eggs, some Parmesan cheese. The best part with this recipe, you can't mess it up because you don't measure anything. So I'm going to put in probably about 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to put in, probably this is a 2-cup container of cheese. I'm probably going to add probably 3/4 of that, 3/4 of the mozzarella. Now my basil, probably a tablespoon and a half, and probably a little less than a tablespoon of the garlic salt. Now all we do is just mix this together. So now that our noodles are done, I'm going to show you how I stuff them. So we've got our mixture and we've got our noodles. It's very simple. Take a noodle, use your bare hands, and just start stuffing manicotti with the mixture and pack it in pretty tight. There's one. Okay, we've got our last noodle stuffed. Get this out of the way. As you can see, we've got a little bit of the tofu mixture left over. I'm going to take a can of tomato sauce, pour that can in, mix it together. The sauce is going to go right on top. So this recipe calls for a serving of 2 manicottis. There's 1 serving size. And for the people that always question where do vegetarians get their protein, for a serving of 2 manicottis, it has 49 grams of protein. We usually serve this recipe with a kale salad. So here is our stuffed manicotti sauce on top. This is going to go in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes on 350. So we'll see when it comes out.
All right, just pull this out of the oven and we're going to serve it up and see what it looks like. So there's a serving size, 2 pieces of manicotti. So remember, as I said before, people that are concerned about not getting enough protein if you're a vegetarian, these 2 pieces have 49 grams of protein. We'll pair it with a kale salad and we'll have a complete meal. Try it and enjoy.